how did you get customers to want it? Did they just put it out there and it was sort of like, if you build it, they will come? Did you go on an education campaign? How did you sort of demand generate?
Yeah, and our big thing was point of sale. So sports oxygen and having an image of a football player using oxygen, superimposed the football player using our product. So like if you see it on the sidelines every weekend, guys are using, and it's the reason they want to get back into their playing aerobic capacity faster. You'll catch your breath. Everyone catches their breath, but if you have to take 3 plays off versus 1 play because you're catching your breath, then that could be a negative for your team. We had and we still do have this great point of sale that sort of shows that to the customer, oxygen to go or oxygenate like the pros do, that type of thing. So if they saw it, and we have to be on checkout. So that's another thing. Where do you put it in the store? Do you put it in team sports? Do you put it in where do you put it? So
right, there's no oxygen section.
Exactly right. So we try to be out by checkout. So when it's a little bit of an impulse buy, like people would see it by checkout, I'm like, oh yeah, I get it. And graphically with the point of sale.